Hi and welcome to How to Get a Start in Project Management. Whether you're a recent graduate, a professional looking for a career change, or someone curious about the world of project management, this guide is for you. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the essentials of kickstarting your journey in this dynamic field. 1. Introduction to Project Management. At its core, project management is the art and science of initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing projects. It's about turning ideas into reality, managing resources, and ensuring goals are met on time and within budget. 2. The importance of training. Like any profession, training is crucial. Here are some top recommendations. Formal education. Many universities offer bachelor's and master's degrees in project management or related fields. These programs often cover the fundamentals, methodologies, and tools used in the industry. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses tailored to different expertise levels. They're flexible and often more affordable. Workshops and seminars. These are great for hands-on experience and networking. Keep an eye out for events hosted by PMI, Project Management Institute, or other industry organizations. 3. Essential qualifications. While a degree is valuable, certifications can set you apart. PMP, Project Management Professional, offered by PMI. It's one of the most recognized certifications worldwide. It requires a combination of education, experience, and a passing exam score. CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, also from PMI. This is ideal for those with less experience. PRINCE2, Projects in Controlled Environments, popular in the UK and Europe. It focuses on process-driven project management. Agile qualifications, especially relevant for IT project managers. Agile methodologies prioritize flexibility and collaboration. Certifications like Certified Scrum Master, CSM, or Safe Agilist can be invaluable. 4. Tools and software training. Microsoft Project, a standard tool in the PM world. Training in Microsoft Project will equip you with skills to plan, manage, and report on projects effectively. 5. Entry-level jobs to consider. Starting out? Here are positions that can pave your way. Project Coordinator. You'll assist project managers, handle administrative tasks, and ensure smooth communication among team members. Junior Project Manager. A step up, you'll manage smaller projects or segments of larger ones, under the guidance of a senior PM. Business Analyst. While not strictly a PM role, it's closely related. You'll analyze business needs and ensure projects align with organizational goals. 6. Key behaviors for success. Beyond qualifications, certain behaviors define successful project managers. Communication. The ability to convey ideas clearly and listen actively is paramount. Leadership. Inspire your team, resolve conflicts, and make tough decisions when needed. Adaptability. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. Being flexible and solution-oriented is key. Time management. Juggling multiple tasks and deadlines is part of the job. Prioritize and delegate effectively. 7. Networking and continuous learning. Join organizations like PMI or APM, Association for Project Management. Attend conferences, webinars, and local meetups. Networking can open doors to job opportunities and mentorships. Remember, the field of project management is ever evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and methodologies. 8. Conclusion. Embarking on a career in project management is both challenging and rewarding. With the right training, qualifications, and mindset, you can navigate this journey successfully. Remember, every project you manage, big or small, is a step forward in your career. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.